In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can turn $1 into $10,000 every single month. Let's do this. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, like I said, I'm going to tell you guys how I managed to turn $1 into $10,000 consistently every single month, and how you guys can kind of do the same thing. So let's get straight into this. Okay, so when I started looking to make money online, I had to look at different ways I could do this. I could either go down the route of, these websites where I could make survey money, or I could go down the route of like selling products, or anything. I kind of looked at everything pretty much, and I came to the conclusion that most things either don't work, are scams, or take too much time, which I didn't want to do. Okay, that's something I didn't want to do. I wanted something that I could put time into, but not my whole life, okay? And basically, I came to the conclusion that there's many ways you can make money. Either it's a scam, it doesn't work, or it does work, but it takes too much time. And I tried to look for something in the middle, and I needed something which had zero startup costs. I had no money, I didn't want to put any money in, because I had no money to start with. So I had to find something which didn't take any money from me to start it, but could make me money back. And that was very hard to find, but I finally found the gold mine, which is YouTube. You see, when I first started doing YouTube, I didn't know that you could make money on it, right? It was a hobby. And it just kind of came into the passion where YouTube rolled out a monetization program where I started earning money. And since then, my life has been dramatically changed in the better. There are millions of YouTubers who do YouTube who make a full-time career from just YouTube, okay guys? There's billions of users every single month. There's people making $500,000 a month. There's people making $500,000 a week. There's YouTubers who have now got their YouTube fame and taking it to boxing and making 7 figures, 8 figures from boxing, just from their YouTube fame. So the potential is really crazy of how much YouTube can make you, and how actually quite simple it is. And this is how I managed to do it in the start. As you guys can see behind me, if I move my head, you can see all my YouTube plaques. I've also got one over here, which is a 1 million subscriber plaque, as you can see right here. So I've been doing YouTube for about 9 years, and what I've learned from doing that is actually quite easy to make money on it once you know what you're doing. So when I started, I already had a laptop, so it literally cost me nothing. I already had a laptop, or if I didn't, I would have just used my mum's, and it had a microphone in it, and if it didn't, I would have found one off eBay or something for like 50p. I don't know, I would have found one. And I started making content, guys. It doesn't cost anything to do it, just time. So I started making videos, and as I went along, I kind of learned that some videos got more views than others, some videos go more viral, and I just wanted to basically start making more money. So I started replicating what is already working, and that still to this day works, and it's the best way to make money online. You see, the first couple of years I literally made nothing, maybe a few cents, maybe a few dollars. I literally made nothing, but I'm still managed to turn my first ever investment of like $1, which was on literally just like stuff in the video, like stupid little props, into now more than $10,000 every single month from just doing YouTube videos, which is insane because most of the work I do now is completely outsourced. I don't need to touch it again. Someone does it all for me, which is the best part about it, which I'm gonna explain to you. You see, when people think of YouTubers, you think of fame or celebrity. You think of somebody who has to go out with a camera and vlog themselves. That's not the case. There's many people on YouTube who make money without even knowing who they are. Like, I can guarantee you've watched a video today, if you've been scrolling for YouTube, and you've come across a video with no actual face, unless you like watching influencers and stuff like that. But like, channels like Top Trending, or Brightside, or 5 Minute Crafts, bunch of channels, they get millions of views, but it's not them, it's not their face, you don't know who they are, it's just like comedy or whatever, okay? And those are the channels who are actually the highest performing channels and make the most money, which is what I wanted to do. I wanted something where I didn't have to have my face in it. I know it's a bit hypocritical now because I do it, but who cares, I'm already where I wanted to be. Well, not all the way, but I wanted to be where I wanted to be. And now is the time I feel confident to do this, obviously. But back then, I wanted something which I didn't want to use my face. I didn't really want to use my voice that much, but I did. But I just wanted something which I could just grind on, basically. And I came to the conclusion that I'd start doing it. And now, obviously, I have channels which I don't even need to do anything. I don't use my voice, I don't use my face, I don't use anything at all, and the channels are still operating 24/7 every single day, even Christmas. Now, these channels build up and up and up. I'm not producing any content. I'm literally doing nothing other than just posting the videos, using good tags, good titles, and good thumbnails, and getting millions of views, and then making all the money back from it, okay? And that is something which a lot of people want to do. They have a 9-to-5 job, or they need to just turn their investment from nothing into something and have it a legit way, which is why YouTube is so great, okay? Now, I'm not gonna sit here and say to you, oh, you should definitely go start a YouTube channel, because I don't really care if you do or don't, to be honest. If you want to do it, cool. If you don't, that's fine. My channel is purely designed about helping people make more money online, show you guys ways that you can obviously grow your income and financially be successful and be free, you know, break from the 9-to-5 job. And that's what my channel is about. So every video on this channel is purely aimed and designed to help you guys for free. Don't sign you anything. I'm just saying for free to help you guys kind of get out of that cycle of, you know, the job you hate or something like that. And who doesn't want to make money, guys, okay? Now, if you can do it without even doing any work, that's even better, right? So before I found it, I then turned my practically $0 investment, or $1, into now over $10,000 a month. My channels, as you can see here, each one of these plaques replicate a channel. I have 20 channels, but I don't have 20 plaques yet, which I will get to. But I have all these plaques, as you can see, minimum over there, and they all make an income. All different channels all make an income. I have 20 YouTube channels continually making me money every single month without me having to do any work. Literally no work. And that is done by me outsourcing the content, which is what I'm going to explain now. You see, going back to my original point where the biggest channels don't even use their face, you can do the same thing. There's videos like top 5 things you never knew about cars, top 5 things you never knew about the earth. Basically a bunch of videos which have a purpose, but they're not a person. It's just a topic and you're talking about it. And that is where the money is at on YouTube right now, and where it will probably continue to be, because there's always going to be new topics and there's always going to be new things to talk about. So if I was to say to you right now, if I gave you somebody who would edit all your videos, film all your thumbnails, edit all your thumbnails, do your titles, tags, descriptions, the lot, write the scripts, the voiceovers, everything, and you just sit back and upload the videos, would you take the offer? I mean, who wouldn't? I mean, who wouldn't take that offer? And if you want that offer, I don't need to give it to you. You need to go out and do it yourself. And there's many ways you can do this. You can go to upwork.com, fiverr.com, literally outsource the work to somebody else, you know? If you have a spare few $100s every month, or every other month, just to whack onto a YouTube channel, you know, because it's just money that you spend anyway, why not? That could turn into $10,000. That could even, heck, it could even turn into $100,000 every single month. Why wouldn't you do it? I mean, obviously, not everything goes viral and it does take time. You need to know what you're doing, which is why on my channel here, I show you ways that you can make money and grow, and step by step. I literally made a 50-minute video with no other purpose than just to help you guys for free on this channel for you guys to go watch. There's an eye right here on one of these screens. Go click that now if you want to watch it. It's a 50-minute video, guys, to help you from start to finish of how you can make videos, edit them, the lot. It's all there, and that's all for free for you guys. So if you want to watch that, go watch it, go check it out. But you know, turning nothing into something is very limited, and not many jobs or opportunities actually offer that. Unless you go to the 9-to-5 job where you don't have to pay anything to do a job, then fine. But if you want to just break out of that 9-to-5 and just finally do something which you just wanted to do, or just have this thing on the side which is yours, like you want to build something, make you feel productive and stuff like that, YouTube's a great way to do it, you know? You don't have to put much time into it. You don't even have to do any of the work if you don't want to. And heck, if you want to do the work and you want to do it yourself, I also show you the ways you can do that as well. On my channel, I show you ways that you can edit the videos, film the videos, where you can get all the licenses, all the clips, everything you need is on the channel. And I'll tell you how you can make the money on it, the best things to do, the best topics to do. It's all on my channel. I've got hundreds of videos on this channel showing you guys exactly how you can do that. So, you know, if you want to do it yourself, there's also the option as well. But the best way to make money online, in my opinion, is to quite literally start something which has no investment, and that is YouTube. It is no investment. Yeah, you might need to go out and get a camera, but I'm talking investment as in like a deposit, like a loan. Like you have to lend $5,000 to start this business. You don't need to do that, you know? You could ask for a camera for your birthday or for Christmas, you know? Just change your priorities a bit, and you could even just film. Whoops. You can even just film on your phone, guys. There's no reason why you can't do it. You can literally just swipe up, get your camera out, and quite literally just start filming things. You know, if you haven't got a phone, maybe you have a tablet, maybe you've got the new Microsoft Surf Go, which I just got recently. But there's a camera on this, you know, right there. You can just start filming videos on this. You could even get an older camera, like a $20 camera. There's many ways you can do it, guys, okay? I mean, maybe your mum has a spare phone or something, you know, a spare camera. There's many ways you can make money online, and there's many ways you can film videos. And in my personal opinion, YouTube is the best one by far, because anybody can do it. It doesn't matter what age you are, what race you are, where you are in the world. It is the option for everybody worldwide, and anybody can do it. And you can start changing your life and actually start feeling purposeful if you're not already. That's basically how I did it, guys. That's how I turned my $1 into $10,000 continuously every single month. It's all from the power of YouTube, and I'm not going to sit here and say to you, go start one now. The choice is entirely yours. If you do want to, though, check out my other videos, because I help you guys to do that as well. You know, if you want some help and you're not sure how to do it and you want stuff like that, go check out my other videos. You'll see there that I also offer help as well on my channel. And yeah, guys, that's basically how I turn $1 to $10,000, and I make that every single month now and more continuously from all my channels. So it's a very good income, makes me loads of money every single month. And now I'm not trying to brag on you guys, I'm just trying to tell you guys how I did it, how you can do it, and how you can really change your life. And of course, again, I'm not trying to tell you nothing, so it's all free information. But that's basically it for this video, guys. So if you did enjoy this video, hit that subscribe button down below, turn on those post notification bells so you never miss an upload, because I post every single day or every other day if I forget to post, or if I'm lazy. But I post every other day or every day of ways you can make money online, all that stuff like I already told you. But yeah, that's basically it. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.